What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get your Photon Sol private key. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your account, you will be on your home page right here, the new pairs page. So from this page, to get your private key, you would need to go to your account right here, so hover over your account icon and select the wallet management option, this one right here. Now, once you're in your wallet manager, here you would be able to see your wallets. Now, if you didn't get your primary wallet's private key, you would need to create a new wallet and then set that wallet as your designated wallet. So just go ahead and click generate wallet and then generate right here. Then you just need to slide this slider right here. And here you would be able to get your private key for that new wallet. From there you can copy this private key and import it to any Solana wallet that you want. For example, if you want to import it to Phantom, you can watch this video right here. So that's guys how you can get your private key on the Photon platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.